1. Immediately the Emu Empire knocking off the cube, upsetting Spaghetti, dropping some greens into the goal. They get 2 in. The Emu Empire dropping a green into the goal as well. Upsetting Spaghetti with some more greens. They go to drop them into the goal, and they get them both in. The Emu Empire go need to do the same, and they get it. As we can switch drivers. And it looks like all goals have at least 2 greens in. To get to 25 seconds, you must have switched drivers. Looks like Upsetty Spaghetti is looking to push the red off of the goal, and they successfully get it. Upsetty Spaghetti looking like they're going for a park, and they managed to successfully get the partial park. Can the Emu Empire make it there in time with 5 seconds left? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait.